All right, so today is sombrero day. Who actually has a sombrero? Okay. Who has like a hat? Okay, good. So only one person owns a hat in this whole room. You don't have a hat? You don't have a hat? Okay, you have a hat. You got a hat? No, no. None of you hats. You got a hat? You only have one hat. So that's called no cap. That's a good one, right? Only y'all can laugh without making noise. Let the record show that everyone was hilariously, silently laughing at my hilarious joke. All right, well, anyways, Dallas Stars won a game, so here we are celebrating as a class because we all love the Stars, right? Go Stars. Go Stars. Okay. Now, you're going to have a quiz next Thursday. Actually, it's supposed to be quiz this Thursday. Okay, because today you're working on an assignment, and then we're going to review on Wednesday, and then quiz on Thursday. I think that's what we're going to do. Okay? So all that being said, let's talk about this warm-up. Now, check it out. On Friday, was everyone here Friday? Or if you weren't here, here's what we did. Okay, we did notes on your own, meaning it was self-paced. I gave you the notes and I gave you the assignment. The answers to the notes were in the video I posted, and they're on the wall, and the key is posted in the Google Classroom. It's up to you to do the notes using either your phone or a Chromebook. That was Friday, okay? Today I'm letting you work on 8.1, I believe is the assignment. And what I'm going to show you on this warm-up is how to do an example like 8.1. So if you're like, I don't get it, because I didn't literally tell you the notes from up here, at least you'll see it on this warm-up. So you can at least do the front side of the notes, right? Hopefully. You got a warm-up sheet? And there's extra pencils in the graveyard over there. All right, let's do this. First things first. And by the way, 6th period, you're relocating to 204 tomorrow, right? If you're not testing, write that down, memorize it, tattoo it on your hand, something. Here we go. Now, this is called a rational graph because the x is in the bottom of the fraction, in the denominator, okay? Now, if there's a number on top that's not 1, does everyone agree that 3 is not 1, right? Since it's bigger than 1, that's going to be a vertical what? Stretch or compress? If 3 is bigger than 1, is that a vertical stretch or compress? What do y'all think? Stretch. Let's write that down. So it's a vertical stretch by 3 if you have a number up top here. So this vertical stretch by 3. Okay. Easy. If there's a number on top, vertical stretch. Cool. And I'm not going to write this down, but it's on your notes. I want everyone to hear me. If there's a negative on top, or if there's a negative in front, that does a reflection, a flip. Does everyone know that? Negative means reflection. You have to write that down. It's also in your notes from Friday that you can copy down still. You know what I'm saying? Okay, now, let's talk about this. On the bottom, this is our insider. And what do we know about insiders right here? Insiders what? What do we know about insiders? I'll be here in the morning? Yes. Yes, for sure. Okay. Yes. What do we know about insiders? Insiders what? Insiders what? Insiders what? Lie! Do y'all know this? Insiders lie. Have we said this before? Have we said it before? Have we said it and you were not listening? Is that what it was? Yeah. Insiders lie, meaning +2 really means -2, okay? Also from our notes on Friday, if it's on the bottom, it's going to be horizontal, left or right. So here's the deal. My bad. Does everyone see this +2 here? Okay, it's a lie, so it really means what? Opposite of +2 is what? -2. I need more people participating. You, put the phone away. Put it away. The opposite of +2 is -2, so is that going to go left or right? What do y'all think? Left or right? -2 is left or right? Not you. You. What? Left. You're next. You're going to answer me. Yes, you in the hoodie. Yeah, that's you. No, you. You. Which way is left? Positive or negative? Negative. So since this is really a negative, because it's a lie, it's going to go left 2. Go and write that down. Left 2. You're going to have to do this right now on an assignment, so I hope you're paying attention. Now, off to the right here, y'all see this -3? That is not a lie, and it's vertical. So which way do you think -3 is, up or down? Down 3. Write that down. Okay. Okay. So again, insiders lie on the bottom. That's horizontal. Off to the right, this number is a vertical up or down, and it does not lie. Okay. So everyone should be writing this down on the warm-up sheet, right? Now, the next thing you got to know. So here's the deal. Do y'all see our graph? That's the original parent function. We're going to make our vertical line move 2 to the left. We're going to make that horizontal line move 3 down. Okay, so when you graph this, you move 2 to the left. So you got okay. And then we're going to go down 3. So gosh. Okay, so we moved the vertical asymptote 2 to the left, the horizontal asymptote 3 down. So here's what you're going to do. Vertical is always x equals because it goes through the x-axis. And what number does it go through? Right there. What's that vertical line going through? Negative, not 1, but -2. Okay, -2. And the horizontal goes through the y-axis, so go ahead and write y equals. And what y value is this going through? Right here. If it goes down 3, that's -3 for your horizontal asymptote, okay? Since it's been stretched by 3, here's what you do. Usually you go over 1, up 1, but instead we're going to go over 1, up, 1, 2, 3, over 1, up 2, 1, 2, 3, and we put our curve, and then over 1, 1, 2, 3, over 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's been stretched by 3. Move 2 to the left, move 3 down. Let me tell you, the easiest way to get these points is to graph and do Control-T. Don't remember how to graph and press Control-T and plot some points? That's the easiest thing to do, just saying. Now for domain and range, here's how easy it is. Ready? It goes forever to the left. It goes forever to the right. It goes forever down. It goes forever up. The only place it does not touch is these lines, right? So here's the deal. If the line is at x equals -2, the domain is anywhere except not equal to -2. Look right here. Do you see the difference between the asymptote and the domain? All you're doing is slashing that equal sign because it can be anywhere besides that line. No, you're not even doing the warm-up. 10-minute rule. Can you grab it and start it, please? And then the range, same thing. It's not touching at -3, so you put a slash. Y is not equal to -3. Okay. Now I know it's a lot all at once, but again, you got to bring them. If there's any leftovers, they're on this little ledge by my desk over here by that fan. There might be some leftovers on that ledge by my fan. Okay. So that's the warm-up. I know it's a lot all at once, but hold on. This is based on the notes from Friday. If you did not do the notes on Friday, you know what you need to do right now. Do those notes. I have copies of the notes too. If if you just want to copy, but I'd rather you write it down and think about it. You need to be working on 8.1 assignment. It's very similar to this. If you just look at it and kind of think about it, you should be all right. If you have questions, let me know. But I'm going to be getting some of us to once again do corrections and work on quiz corrections, etc. We got to get our grades up, and that's that. So again, don't forget quiz Thursday based on this stuff. So actually do the assignment because you got a quiz coming up on this stuff. Okay. So the algebra star test. May 9th. And if you look on here, all the other dates. So May 2nd is biology, May 3rd is history, May 9th, algebra 1. If you need to retake it. And that's it, yeah. Besides English 2, which is tomorrow. Hold on. All right, so let's go ahead and get started.